Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at my brand new portrait faith planner. I am super excited to share this with you guys and all that it has to offer. And I just want to remind you that it is in my Etsy shop and it will be linked down below. And it is at an amazing price. So if you like journaling, if you like planning, and you like faith planners, definitely stay tuned. We're going to be doing the full flip through. Also, stay tuned at the very end of this video because I am doing a giveaway for reaching 5K on YouTube. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. So right off the bat, I want to let you guys know that I have a ton of brand new digital products in my Etsy shop. We've got prayer journals, we've got stickers, we've got labels, we've got faith planners. Please check out my shop down below. Now, in this planner, I cannot wait to show you guys the amount of covers that we have to offer. We have the, cover that comes with it, which says Believe, and it's super beautiful. And I'm just in love with it, you guys. All of the covers allow you to click and get into your planner right away by just clicking on the rings. You get to your welcome page. So each and every single one of the covers that you see, when you click on the rings, you'll be linked right into your welcome page. So we have Faith Planner right here. We have it in black and pink. We have the regular black and pink. And we have black and pink Believe. So you do have some options when it comes to your cover. And I'm gonna show you how to make your own custom cover with the regular black and pink. It is super easy to delete the covers that you are not using. You just click right here in the thumbnails and click on that little arrow, or you can select all the covers that you don't want by clicking select at the top right. And once you do that, you click on the covers that you don't want, and then you just press delete, or trash, I should say. And it'll just leave the covers that you do want. And like I said, they all will link to your the inside of your planner. So don't worry about links getting messed up or anything like that. Everything is gonna be perfectly fine. I apologize for the lighting, it got a little bit crazy right here, but I wanna show you how you can customize your own covers using the blank covers that are already provided. So for this one, I decided to use a black cover, and I'm using this silhouette of a black woman with a beautiful fro, and I wanna put on the top just a little simple text to go along with it. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the same thing. So it's super easy if you find your images on pngtree.com. I know I've talked about it before in my other videos. It's where I love to find a lot of my images. You can use it for personal use with attribution. You can also use it for commercial use. And of course, you can also purchase a license. So along with the image, I am also going to write in Faith Moves Mountains. And I've used the color yellow to match with this gorgeous woman's headband. And I'm going to also make it a sticker. So if you don't know how to make your own stickers, you're gonna learn today. So I'm just placing it exactly where I want it. And then what I'm gonna do is use the lasso tool to pick it up and drop it into my file folder, then drop it right back onto the page, and it becomes a PNG image. So the whole thing, the woman and the writing, will be one. So I'm going to swipe from the side, and I have my file folder there. I'm going to lasso both the image and my text, pick it up and drag it into a random folder, and I'm just going to delete what I have before and place the new image into the planner. So now I have my cover. I actually made 2 covers, so this is the second one. So are you ready to see what's inside of this faith planner? Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay, so inside, of course, we always start with our welcome page, which says this planner belongs to, and I have a cute little message for you at the bottom. It has my brand new logo, CKP, Create Kingdom Plans, and a place to put your photo. At the very top, you see a change. I have now little icons at the top to link you from anywhere in your planner, so it's easy to get to what's important. So the first one is your year at a glance. This icon will bring you back to your yearly view from anywhere in your planner. planner. If you click on the month, it'll bring you to your monthly page. And if you click on the weeks, it will bring you to your weekly page. As you see, we're in August. And when I go back to my yearly view. And when I click on the first week of August, I can see my first week. So it's really nice that it's all integrated together. The second link is Guard Your Heart. So we have a ton of templates for you to look at. Let's first look at mindfulness. Mindfulness is a great template that really helps you to understand your emotions in the moment, understand your body in the moment, and where you are at that very moment in time. We have a dream tracker. We have a book tracker. And I was actually thinking to make a different book tracker as well with the images and just a few lines for words. So tell me if you want that. I might include it. These two are trackers. So one that you can make yourself and one that's just a mood tracker that's already there. We have self-care, gratitude journal, prayer journal. You get a journal, you get a journal, and you get a journal. There's everything that you need. We even have workout plans. We even have mornings with Jesus, sermon notes. It just has it all. Anyways, so we also have a finances section. So let's go back to that. In your finances, you'll see at the very top are your templates. So you have your bill tracker for the year, you have your savings tracker, and your savings goal. So basically you can write the date, the memo, what you're saving for, and you can even have it in a more visual way so that you can write down your savings goals and color it in as you go. Some people are visual learners, some people like to do things visually, and some people just like to, have it as text. So you do have options. So for example, here, we are just coloring in the bubble for, let's say you had 2K, then you made 3K, and then you come back and say, oh wait, I have a little bit more money. I'm going to go ahead and highlight in blue that I've got money. I've got 4K in my savings, and you can put what it's for at the side. So if you're saving for a car, you're saving for a house, it is all trackable, okay? Yes, that's what we're doing with our faith planner. We are taking control of our finances. We also have an expense tracker and a debt tracker. You can check off if it's paid. You can write what it's for, whatever it's for, student loans. So you can keep track of your debt. So something new that I've added into my planners is a tracker for rewards points. All credit cards now have rewards points. And if you don't, what are you waiting for? You can write down exactly what the maximum point categories are. So sometimes it'll be for Amazon or purchases on PayPal. Sometimes they'll even say stores like Walmart or BJ's, wholesale stores. Like, you want to keep track of what stores give you 5% or 10%, whatever it is from the money that you are spending, so that you can go ahead and use that same money either to pay back your credit card or to use it as a way to gift yourself. We also have a no spend challenge page. So if you didn't spend for one day, you can just highlight it in, and we can try not to spend as much money, because if you're like me, we spend a lot on Amazon. In the next page, we have a $20 savings challenge where you can try to save $20 every day until you reach however much money that you can get. And we also have a subscription tracker. Everything I feel like is a subscription nowadays, so we gotta make sure we're in control and know what we are spending our money on. Is it on Netflix? Is it Adobe? Whatever. Like, I'm surprised now that you can't just buy things just one price. There's no such thing anymore. Everything is a subscription. So it's really, really helpful to keep track of your subscriptions, because you might be paying for something that you don't even use. Like the other day, I realized I was paying for HBO and I never used it. I had to cancel that immediately. So definitely happy that I have this. Next page is our money management page. Now, each month has a different money management page, so you can get your money right every single month. So once you've calculated your income, you can subtract your bills, expenses, savings, and other things to have your full balance. At the end of the day, you have a space for all your expenses if you want to do it there, income, and also your budget. At the very bottom, you have a place to do your calculations. And what's awesome about this is that each month is linked in your finances icon. So if you want to add, let's say we want to add the $20 saving challenge under January's monthly management, what we can do, or money management, I should say, what we can do is just copy the page, go to January, make sure that we paste after, and there we go. We have our January money management, and right next to it is our $20 saving challenge. What's really awesome also is that you can access each month right here. So on this page, if you click on the month, it'll bring you to January, for example. If you go back, you can go to all the other months easily, and so it's going to be super easy to manage our finances this year. Now in the finances section, I've also left a blank space beneath each month so that you can write some goals. So your quarterly goals, each month you can write, hey, I want to have a car by August. I want to have a new house by December. So you can actually write in your goals right under that month, which is really awesome. Next icon is set up your life. We are packed with more templates, and we're starting off with our goals. So you have your action steps and you have a little space for some inspiration. We also have our schedule, and also to remind you, this is a Monday start and Sunday start. So do not worry if you like Sunday start, I've got you. I've got you, sis. All right, and then we've got our recipes. You have recipe cards, 2 cards, and you can rate that recipe. You have your ingredients. Whatever you need for your recipes are there. You also have a meal planner, so you can do breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Right there, you have your chore schedule. Also, right here. Oh my gosh, so much things. You have your grocery list, pros and cons list, your projects, your videos if you like me and you make videos. A word of the day, so you have a word of the day for the whole year. You have a bucket list. Come on, people. You have appointment cards. Yes, it's you. You have appointments. That's what I'm talking about, girl. You also have a world map for when you're traveling for your appointments. Yo, I'm so annoying. Anyway, let's go into walk by faith. And I love this section. It is all about your walk with Christ. So in these, you are going to find not a lot of templates, but templates that are super meaningful. Your verse of the year, super powerful to have a verse every single year. You have a direction, a focus, and application of how you're going to be using that verse for the year. You also have your word of the year. Super great to have a word for the year. It keeps you focused, keeps you in a good direction, in a positive mindset, and you also have a place to brainstorm. I also like brainstorming in my vision board section, as you'll see next. It's super easy to just put on some photos and you have a vision for the year. Your memory section is kind of like a notebook, so you can easily get to it. You have a year in photos where you can just add square images for each month. You also have a place where you can summarize your year and reflect on the year that you've had. My favorite part of this section is the image section at the bottom, where you can put the new you, the old you, how you were last year, or something that you want to be for the new year. So I hope that this really speaks to you and you can actually reach the end of the year with this planner. I'm super, super, super excited, and I hope you are too. So the rest of the planner is just extra pages, which you can find in the index. Woohoo! Let's go to the index, you guys. So at the top right, you'll see that there are 3 lines. When you click on it, it brings you to your index. And your index has 4 notebooks. So mine is Chat with Jesus. One of my notebooks is Chat with Jesus. You can add in whatever you want, of course. It is a blank notebook for you to use right in your planner. You can use it for journaling. You can use it as a diary. You can use it for notes when you're going to school. Whatever it is that you want to use it for, you can use that. But I like to do it as like a prayer journal / chat with Jesus, okay? You can write the date at the top, and you have plenty of lines to write your heart away. Also, oh my gosh, I totally forgot to show you what the months look like. Oh my gosh, this is jam-packed with things. So you have your monthly view. So this is March. My birthday's in March, of course, special month. And so you have your weekly links, hyperlinked, right at the corner of each week. So if you see here, I'm clicking on the week and it's bringing me straight there. When I click on the top, it brings me back to the month. So everything is very seamless. Same thing goes with the dailies. When I click on the date, it brings me to the day. And then when I click on the top, it brings me back to that month. Super easy and super simple to use. It works in all of the months. Now remember, this is an undated planner. When you click on the link in my shop, you will be taken just to one shop listing, and this listing will hold both the Monday start date and the Sunday start date undated planner. So you get a lot for the money, okay? Definitely click the link down below. When you go back to your index, at the bottom left, you'll see your note paper. And you'll see that you have links to every single template that we just looked at. So if you don't know what it was called and you don't know where and what section it is, just go to the index, click on it right there, and it'll send you right where you need to go. Whew, girl, there's so much things to show you, I almost forgot. When you're inside the planner and you click on the rings, it'll send you to a secret section. This is a section that I love because I like to write down things that I'm thinking about. Sometimes I doodle in it. Sometimes I just add stickers. I'm just playing around. When you click on the rings, it'll send you right here. So let me show you what it looks like blank. The top is blank and it has some lines at the bottom. So as soon as you click on the rings, it'll send you right to this section. It could be your quick note section. It could just, you want to jot something down, click on it and it'll bring you right there. So I think that's it. I think so. Okay, last but not least, I have a giveaway that I want to share with you guys over on my Instagram and also on my TikTok. I will also be linking those down below so that you can join. You will win a free faith planner, a free journal, and you will get an Amazon gift card along with, and stickers. Of course, you thought I forgot about you? No, you got stickers. So join this mini giveaway to celebrate 5K on my YouTube channel. And I just have to say thank you so much. Every single one of you have been commenting, watching my videos, and thanking me for what I'm doing on YouTube. And I just want to continue to share the love and share what I know with you guys. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for always watching my YouTube videos. So check the description box below to know how you can enter this giveaway. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!